Prepare a PDF with the width of 609 millimeters and a length as long as you need. Then you press Control Print, and you're gonna go to Eigenschappen, and you select that settings. You select a length that is fitting, that is bigger than your print. So in this case, we select 5 meter, standing, okay, and then you see that it's fixed, that it has a little bit of extra space. You press print, afdrukken, and you see here if it looks good, how it fits. You see that there's extra wide and here's extra wide. So the most important button here is all the way down, rolpapier besparen, save paper. You press that one and you see if the image is changing. And then you press print again, afdrukken. Until the paper is being cut, and then you can pull it out. Don't touch the print with your fingers because you're gonna see that later in the trace. So here you can see the indicators of how much ink there is still in. You open the box, you open it there. Then in the closet there is this big batch of old inks. Use the one that is already open. It has a nice lock that you can place on there, and then it's loading up by itself. You have to check, so I always go to not the most top line but the one below. You check if it's already there, and once it's there, then you carefully turn it and close. You can do that for all the 4 different colors. If it doesn't fit into the lock, then you don't have the right color, and so that's extra. Check things. Then you go to this screen, click it, and you have to say how much you filled it up. So we now filled up the yellow one. Continue. Did you fill up the yellow one till the top line? No, I did not. And then you have to say how much you filled it up. So till the top, the second top line. Okay, and then the setting for the yellow is being set. When the paper is almost empty, you can see it here on the screen. So now it says it still has 7.3 meters. Often this is not really a correct number, and you can most often just continue to print till you really see that the print is not working anymore, because it's not correct, the measurements and how it goes. So here you can open and the paper loader. We open it up. You get the empty roll out of it. And just, please check how you placed it in. Here it gives an image on how you have to place it back. Again, don't touch it too much with your fingers, because the fattiness you will see later on in the print. You feed it in between the wheels down there, and then you say that there is 32 meter on the roll, and you fill it out on the screen again. You can close it. Why do this? So use this, and then it asks to load, and that takes a bit, and sometimes you have to do that 3 or 4 times. You turn the calander on and the heat on. If it happens to run the other way like this, so it's moving in that direction, then one of those emergency stops has been touched. So then open these. 105, that's most often enough. 107. Best is to make a test with the actual fabric that you're going to use. The heating up takes about 40 minutes, so make sure that you turn it on 40 minutes prior to when you want to start. When it's hot, then wait 10 more minutes so that indeed the cream spread evenly. Then you can start using.
Guide and other.
So you try to let it work as next as possible. And make sure that the fabric stays inside of the fitting. The speed is right. It's actually high here, so I would turn it on a little below 1.
And allow it and take it.
And see, huh?
Also, to me,
This paper, some people might want to reuse it. So in this process, almost all the ink disappeared. Like you see here is still a bit on, but so it doesn't make sense to reuse this. But sometimes you have such a lot of ink that you can make a second print or make a print for the winding first hand out.